Have you ever wondered how Flutter manages to create such interactive and dynamic user interfaces? Well, the answer lies in its core concept of widgets. And today, we'll delve deep into two main types of widgets: stateless and stateful widgets. Dive right in. Stateless widgets are what you could call the constants of the Flutter world. They are immutable. What does this mean? Once their properties or attributes are initialized, they cannot be changed. This makes the user interface of a stateless widget fixed and unchanging over time. These widgets are typically simple and lightweight, making them an excellent choice for parts of your app that remain static. In Flutter, stateless widgets are defined using the stateless widget class. The build method is their main method where the UI is constructed. Imagine a simple text widget saying, "Hello world." That's a great example of a stateless widget. On the other hand, stateful widgets are the variables of the Flutter world. They are mutable, meaning they can change and update their properties during their lifetime. These widgets are associated with a mutable state object, which is an instance of a class that extends state. Changes in state trigger the rebuilding of the widget's UI using the build method. In Flutter, stateful widgets are defined using the stateful widget class along with a corresponding state class. The UI is constructed in the build method of the state class. Consider a counter that increments each time a button is pressed. That's a classic example of a stateful widget. To summarize, stateless widgets are like the reliable constants in your Flutter universe, always there, never changing. They are perfect for those parts of your app that remain static. On the other hand, stateful widgets are like the dynamic variables, changing and updating as required. They come in handy for the parts of your app that need to be interactive and responsive. So next time you're building a Flutter app, remember these two widgets and their unique characteristics. Use stateless widgets for static components and stateful widgets for dynamic ones. And with that, you'll be one step closer to mastering the art of Flutter.